Hello, my name's Hugh, and I'm going to talk to you for a moment about budgeting your time. We are coming near to the end of the academic year, and it's around this time of year that some people have got exams, some people have got assessments to hand in or modules to finish, and you need to start planning as how you're going to revise and fit in everything into the time you've got left. There are various strategies you can use to budget your time. Avoid doing these ones. Some people bury their heads in the sand. Hope it all goes away. It feels a bit stressful. Let's just ignore it. But it's not a great strategy for ostriches, and neither is it a great strategy for you. Some people decide they're going to leave it all to the last minute, cram everything the night before, stay up for 8 hours straight, and then do wonderfully. This also isn't going to end well. But the opposite of that is the people who think that they're going to revise for 12 hours a day every day between now and the exams. But it's not realistic, and it's not going to happen. So you need to plan your time. Start off having a look at the calendar. See how many weeks you've got. And plan it out. Write out a list. Here, I've written out a list from now until the GCSE maths exams, and write on the key dates, the times that your assessments are due or your exams are going to happen. And then you can plan week by week and see really, realistically, how long you've got. The next stage is write up a list of all the things you've got to do. Here's a little list of some of the key topics in GCSE maths. And then you need to squeeze all that list into the time you've got left. If it doesn't all fit, it's no problem. You just need to prioritise. Do the most important things first, and then fit everything else in as and when you can. There's a nice phrase called, "How do you eat an elephant?" And the answer is one bite at a time. If things seem big or impossible or difficult to manage, you just need to break it down into little pieces and do it step by step. And the first part of doing it is budgeting your time. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.